Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Haunter. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off in the center and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw 2 angles up, leaving a small gap in the center. Then from the inside, let's draw a small curve down. And a longer curve on the outside here. And then close it off with a curve at the bottom. Now inside each eye, let's draw the pupils by drawing a curve down and up. And color these both in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start in the center and let's draw a line across. And then add a V-shaped point down on each side. Now let's bring it out on each end. And another V-shaped point. And then let's curve it up at the ends. Next, we're going to draw 2 curves down, leaving a gap in the center. Now let's fill in that gap with a zigzag line across. And that's it for the face. Now let's draw the shape of the body. Let's start on top and let's draw a large curve across. Then from both ends, let's draw a curve out and up like this. And then let's bring it in, stopping next to each eye. Now let's draw another curve out and angle it back in next to the mouth. Now at the bottom, let's draw another curve out and bring it back in. Now for the bottom of the body, let's draw a point down and up on each side. And then 2 more in the same way, going down. And then 1 more in the center. And that's it for the body. Next, we're going to hop out and draw the hands. Let's start on each side and let's draw a curve down. And then curve it back up at the bottom. Now top to the top and let's draw a curve out. Bring it up. And a small angle up and out at the top. Now for the next finger, let's angle it down. And then we're going to curve it down and back up like this. Now in between these 2 fingers at the bottom, let's draw 2 bumps across. Now let's add one more finger at the end here by bringing it out. And then let's curve it down and back up. And that's it for Haunter. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!